It's time for a gear test. I'm recording this bit on my iPhone 11 Pro using the FaceTime camera. It's about 10 to 8 in the evening in April and it's sunny but very, very windy. And I say sunny, it's a bit dusty. We're in the middle of a calima and the adventure begins. Hacendado Easter eggs. Thank you very much, Sarah. Oh no! Okay, let's do this. It's very windy out here. This is a particularly rough storm that we're witnessing at the moment. The wind, I'm guessing the wind is probably about, I don't know, 28 knots, something like that. This is Las Salinas, so we're a little bit south of Caleta de Fuste. Woo! There's a lot of spray going on here. There is actually a plane just coming in. I do not want to be on that plane. That looked like a Binter Airways plane, probably coming from one of the other islands. I've been on one of those flights and it's not pretty coming in on one of those small aircraft in the best of times. So who knows what those passengers are going through right now on that landing. I don't even want to look at that plane. So here we have the Salt Museum behind me and we've got this lagoon here. When I say lagoon, it's more like a foaming torrent at the moment. I'm not trying to look cool. I can't see, I don't want my hat to blow off. Definitely an evening to be spending indoors or somewhere cozy. And what I will say is if you're thinking of coming here on holiday, don't be put off by this. The weather isn't always like this in April, okay? It's just one of those things. Also, I will add that we're probably in one of the most exposed areas of the whole island right now. The wind is absolutely roaring from the north and we've got all this coastline up here for the wind to pick up, and the fetch, which is where the wind picks up water and literally just fetches it along the coast. The fetch is really big at the moment. Surfers amongst you will know what I'm talking about, hopefully. Definitely you don't want to be out there sailing today. If it was nice and sunny and calm every day, it'd be boring, wouldn't it? I will take this opportunity to apologise for a bit of radio silence over the past few weeks with homeinfuerteventura.tv. We've been so busy, not just with the TV series, but with everything else that's going on the island. Now tourism is making a comeback. So everybody's really trying to make the best of that. Whoa! That was a really big wave. I'm moving away. Well, we've got some great stuff coming up in the next few episodes. Some wonderful interviews that we've recorded a while back, and some more exciting features coming up too. So do stick around. I'm hidden behind the van for the time being. There'll be loads of stuff coming up very soon on the website, on the Facebook page, the Instagram, the YouTube channel, of course. So stick around, spread the word, keep the belief, and stay safe. All right, I'm out of here. Take care. Adios.